So he's just taking a break. Is that what this means?
Yeah, maybe a year hiatus or something. I'll come back.
I know, yeah, right, exactly. Hey, I would be talking, if we didn't have this winter storm watch out, I'd be talking about the high cedar pollen levels today. They are high. But instead, we have this to talk about. Winter storm watch Thursday night, heavy rain transitioning over to freezing rain, and some of us could see up to a 1/4 inch of ice in north and northeast Texas. The impacts are going to be travel. Bridges and overpasses could turn icy, especially at night, as some of the heavy rain freezes after we get past sunset. It includes a good portion now of east and northeast Texas, including Smith County, Van Zandt County, Henderson County, Anderson County. Of course, you've got Camp County included into that, Wood and Upshur, Rains County and Hopkins County, and also Titus and Morris County. Now, as we take a look at our radar and satellite animation, we've had a few rain showers move through here earlier, but this is the storm. It's out in the west coast, and it's just now getting its act together. It's going to get stronger as it moves into the Midwest. Look at the Weather Prediction Center's winter storm severity index for this storm. It goes from extreme impacts up near Chicago and parts of northeast Arkansas to major impacts across Missouri to major impacts in one little sliver of northeast Texas and moderate impacts as close as well, let's get up in Hopkins County and over toward Kaufman County and just to the west of Canton. You've got moderate impacts with minor impacts into Smith County and then limited impacts. Still means there's an impact, just doesn't look as widespread. So we could have some localized power outages, yes. We could have bridges and overpasses becoming slick, and for sure. It looks like it's going to wait till maybe after 6 o'clock before we start to see the accumulating ice. That would be 6 o'clock Thursday morning, so that by Thursday afternoon, you're looking at a 1/4 inch of ice perhaps at Gilmer, Tyler, Palestine. Initially, some of this will not stick, but eventually I think it all will. We'll see a few hundredths of an inch of ice down into even parts of deep East Texas by the end of the day Thursday. So closer to a 1/2 inch of ice, you might have some bigger impacts. 1/4 inch of ice considered nuisance. Let's play this out using Future Skycast. You'll see it's all rain right up until about 2 a.m. Then it starts to transition. Mineola, Sulphur Springs, Emory, it's in the 20s. That will make roads slick. We have off and on freezing rain through the day, Thursday morning especially. Deep East Texas stays above freezing, but eventually all of us should fall below freezing, and we may not be done with the freezing rain until Thursday evening. Then we go overnight with temperatures dropping into the 20s, and that could bring us some black ice developing into the overnight hours, and there's good reason for that. This is not the ice. This is just the amount of rain we could see out of this system Thursday. This is going to be a wet system, and because of that, we could see that black ice developing. So freezing rain is really after 6 or 7 o'clock. Main time frame for that's going to be between 9 and about 2. The black ice develops after sunset, so from about 6 until 9. Wind chill values are going to be especially cold Thursday night and Friday morning. Small little opportunity here to see some power outages maybe Thursday morning initially as that freezing rain begins in parts of East Texas. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. All right, here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. Cloudy till evening tomorrow, 64, then rainy and turning cooler, turning colder with freezing rain likely on Thursday for most of us here in East Texas. And again, those ice accumulation amounts are going to be heavier to the north and northwest of Smith County. Icy morning Friday with temperatures around 22. We're back above freezing Friday afternoon. We're into the 40s Saturday, Sunday, back to the 50s Monday, and 60s a week from today.